This is Sean Clark, SVP of Platforms at Provana, and I'm going to be talking about the specific issue of using CallMiner to aggregate disparate sources into a single database and then to retrieve that data through an analytics tool like Domo or Power BI. Our own experience in doing so is to take many different sources of audio, whether it be multiple call centers for a single company, or even multiple servicers all working on behalf of a single networked entity. We will roll up that data into a single CallMiner source and allow that data to be mined and scored according to the parameters that we've set. Subsequent to that, we have set up API fetch retrievers that will essentially take all that data on a regular basis, every 30 minutes or every hour, and synchronize that data down to a standard database in SQL. Once it's in SQL, you can easily access it and do some basic ETL using Power BI or other tools and make a standardized, normalized data set that you then publish to your business users at each of the business units. What that lets you do is have that normalized central approach against a common resource and a common database, where you can still institute things at the Power BI level like role-based access and certain security controls, also being able to control the definition and usage of each of those fields and commonly calculated measures. Once you've published that data set out, then you can very easily have each of the business units access the data in their own way, have independent analysts doing their own review that's customized or specific to their own site, and really utilize the CallMiner API under the hood to facilitate all this. So from an implementation standpoint, if all of those business units are already drawing data into a single CallMiner database, then it's really not much more complicated than using the egress API for CallMiner, bringing it into that central SQL database, and then just doing a very standard ETL and Power BI around that.